Namaste everyone. In the previous video, I have explained all the strokes that we use in the brush calligraphy. So today we are going to learn the alphabets. Let's start. First, A. For A, you have to make an upstroke, then an oval, and then a downstroke. Repeat this process. Simple. So first, upstroke, half, plus oval, plus downstroke. We use 10 strokes in the brush calligraphy, and we can make all alphabets using these 10 strokes only. Second is B. So for B, upstroke, then downstroke, then your descending loop. Same, or if you want to make it more beautiful, then use upstroke and then ascending loop, then go for overturn. Third is C. C is very simple. Upstroke and half oval. Stroke, half oval. Fourth is D. D is opposite of B. So first upstroke, then a full oval, then just you can do a downstroke or an underturn like this. And if you make it more beautiful, then upstroke, oval, and an ascending. Then we'll make E. The first upstroke, then it's kind of mix of ascending loop and oval. This. Half upstroke, F. F में first is upstroke, then ascending loop, and your kind of underturn and opposite descending loop. This. Seventh is G. First one is this upstroke, then the full oval, then the descending loop, upstroke, oval, and then the descending loop. This one I like a lot, edge. For this you can make first upstroke, then a downstroke, and then overturn. But how I make it, I use an ascending loop and then an overturn. So yes, ascending loop and then overturn. Then it comes I. I is very simple. A simple downstroke with a dot or a shade. J. So just make a descending loop on this. K is upstroke, make an oval, and then right variation. And you can do one more, like give an ascending loop, then oval, and then left variation. L. For L, just a ascending loop but a bigger one, or simple ascending loop. Both can work. In M, first a little bit upstroke, then an overturn. First overturn and second overturn. That's your M. First overturn and then second overturn. So we finished half of the alphabets. Now it's from A to M. We can repeat it. In the first alphabet, it's upstroke plus oval plus downstroke. So first, second, third. In B, first is upstroke, then downstroke, and then overturn with a variation. Third is, see, upstroke and then downstroke plus oval, or you can say it's a half oval. Then it's D. D may it's upstroke, then a full oval and plus downstroke. So it's upstroke plus oval plus downstroke. Similarly in C, upstroke. These are half upstrokes, don't make it a full one. It's half upstrokes and half oval. It's upstroke plus downstroke plus oval. Now comes to E. It's upstroke. This one is upstroke. Then ascending loop with variation. Upstroke and plus ascending plus descending loop. G is upstroke plus full oval plus descending loop. For H is upstroke plus downstroke plus overturn. Now J, it is a simple descending loop. K is upstroke. Again, I am saying all upstrokes are halfway, not a full upstroke. Upstroke plus downstroke plus, it's kind of an overturn, but it's a half one. Overturn, closed one. L is a simple downstroke with variation. Okay, now M is simple 3 combined overturn. First overturn, second overturn, third overturn. So here we complete our 13 alphabets.
So the next remaining alphabets we will learn in my next video. So stay in touch. We'll be back soon.